Frangipani scent drifts through the humid air above a quiet jungle terrace. For once her shoulders drop, the phone stays untouched in her bag. High achievers do not need another busy holiday disguised as luxury. They need silence, space, and decisions made beautifully on their behalf. Luxury should erase friction, not create another round of weary choices. John visits Bali himself, tasting menus and walking paths before recommending anything. He searches for the Seeta signature glow, privacy, service, and calm energy. Some villas hide within jungle stillness, others are overlooked by passing paths. Mandapa is vetted for true sanctuary, not just polished photographs online. RevVO is chosen for leaders needing restoration with science behind it. Samabe matters when all-inclusive simplicity truly lightens a parent's mental load. Children explore Balinese culture while parents finally breathe together without interruption. Transfers, ferries, and timings disappear into expert hands before departure. The traveler arrives exhaling while morning unfolds without a to-do list. Meditation, breakfast, and training flow together as if planned by instinct. At sunset, partners reconnect beside water that mirrors the fading sky. Leadership sharpens when exhaustion loosens its grip and perspective returns. Families also change, trading shared stress for shared wonder and laughter. The trip ends, but the calmer rhythm follows them home. They lead better, love more openly, and remember how to rest. Before booking, ask, is this curated for me or for everyone? If certainty is missing, Seeta turns research into reassurance and ease. Bali waits with blooming frangipani, breathing jungle, and rare clarity. A single conversation can begin your next effortless reset. Visit Seeta Luxury Escape for expert travel planning, exclusive offers, and personalized consultations. Subscribe for more insider tips on Caribbean holidays, Mexico vacations, and wedding honeymoons.